Now that this painting has been repaired, relined, oxidized varnish removed, and the many, many damages to the paint layer have been filled and repaired, the retouching needs to be done. But we can't see the true colors of the painting in its flat, worked on condition. So this is not a finishing varnish going on. Here I'm applying a retouching varnish, which is basically similar to a finishing varnish, although it's been thinned down. And the reason for this is, as you can see, the vibrancy of the painting comes back when the varnish is applied and saturates the paint tones. This allows us to see the true colors of the painting. It would be virtually impossible to do retouches on a flat, freshly worked on paint surface where we can't really see the color tones. And the result would be retouches that don't match. This varnish goes on very thinly. It's enough to just even out the surface, saturate the color tones, and allow us to see the true colors as we match with the retouching. Once the retouching is complete, then a finishing varnish will be applied on top of the retouches and this coat of varnish, creating a sandwich with the retouches sitting in between, and all the color matching will be very accurate.